Hey everyone, welcome to Stackby's monthly roundup of product updates. I'm your host Rachit Khator and I'm excited to share these new improvements with you. Let's get started.
First, we've added a new nifty keyboard shortcut in Stackby. You can now navigate between any of the stacks in seconds using Ctrl plus K or Command plus K in your stacks. Just hit Ctrl plus K and just choose the stack you want to get to. And you can use this from anywhere in Stackby. Second, we've also added support for 3 brand new regular expression formulas called REGEX in Stackby. Regular expressions provides a way to search information in your tables in powerful ways possible. Say if you want to search an ID from a URL, a number from a string, or a text after a particular symbol or a pattern, you can use these regex functions to compute automatically. So in Stackby, we've added regex match, regex extract, and regex replace functions. In regex match, you can do phone number or email validations like this. In regex extract, if you want to extract a domain from a URL, you could use regex extract. Third, we've also added a brand new API connector with Google Analytics GA4. GA4 is touted as Google's new future of measurement. It collects both website and app data to better understand your entire customer journey. And we now support it in Stackby. All you need to do is go to the API column type, connect your Google Analytics GA4 account, and select from one of the 12 pre-built API functions that supports in GA4. And just bring that data automatically in Stackby. From July 1st, 2023, Universal Analytics will no longer process data, so it's better you move to GA4 as soon as possible.